this meeting for
Okay.
future references. Okay. Yeah, so let me share my screen. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So here is the plan. So like your target location is like this country. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Osceola.
Osceola. Okay.
Osceola.
Osceola. And the area is like ST Cloud, right?
Yeah, Saint Cloud. You didn't
Yeah,
say
Saint
ST,
Cloud.
it's Saint Cloud.
Okay, Saint Cloud. And the target buyer persona is your like homeowners who are like new home and like within 10 years old and has a value like greater than US 250K and is interested in reducing their utility bill by 50 to 80%.
Right.
So like we are going to discuss one by one this all. Okay. So first of all, like target location. Okay. So target location, we can like run ads in both Google as well as Facebook. Google includes YouTube and Facebook also includes Instagram. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So in Google, like we are already have the options to select the exact location where you want to target the audience and ads. Then we have the with this you can see like when we can add the area, then it will just targeting the exact area. Along with that, we also have the options to target them as wise, kilometer and mile wise. We can as precise as 1 kilometer or 1 miles radius with this. And like we can also target the pin codes of that area.
Okay.
And the same thing in Facebook too. So we can exactly target the area and the pin codes also. See, here you can upload the pin codes if any and cities and all this.
Okay.
So the location option is okay, like we understand. And now let's move to homeowners. So how we going to target homeowners? So like in Google, we can directly target homeowners. We have an option to target them. So we can select that and target with the location in the location. So there is no any problem. But in Facebook, we have a problem. Like 1 year before, there was an option to select the homeowners. But right now, like after iOS 14 update, there is no any options to target that. So what we have to do, see, you can see there is no any option. So like we can instead of targeting homeowners, we have to think like the homeowners how kind of interest they are possessed with and like how we can target with this interest. So some of the examples are like home improvements and home appliances, do it yourself, like these are interests. And demographics, recently who recently moved, and interest, business industry, design, interior design. And these are the pages who the homeowners are follow. These are some example.
No, but all we have to pick one of them, or can we pick
We can
few
pick all of them, and we can like while creating the ad campaigns, we can like run ad sets. We can make the ad sets like for each ad set we can put only one interest and one like this one. We can put only this recently moved for a web like ad set, and for interior design for another ad set. So we will test out every ad sets. Okay. And we'll see which is giving good results. Along with that, we have some other interest too, like Facebook works only on interest basis, like which interest are people are interested in.
No, say that again, the last sentence.
Facebook only like in demographic section, like digital targeting,
Mhm.
like Google focus on keywords, like people
Okay.
search for which keywords, and like that Facebook focus on interests, like people have
Okay.
which type of interests. According to
Okay.
that, it shows their ads. Okay,
All right.
so these are the interest, like uh, most of people, like 95% of people who have like owns a home house, then he have some interest on home security, home improvements, home insurance, home gardening, and all these things. And on the top of that, also have people who are like interest of solar energy and solar panels, like this. You can
Okay.
see, for example, people who it is showing that people who are already interested in a rooftop, like
Mm.
photovoltaic power stations and solar air conditioning, solar power air conditioning, solar panel, and sustainable energy. So we can precisely target them who are already showing interest in solar rooftops, like this. Okay.
Okay.
So the like home owners part is we understand the home owners part, how we going to target them. But unfortunately, I searched a lot, but we don't have any, website like how Facebook and Google works. Like if there any website to like see, uh, like how like anybody can find that people moved and the house is like new years within 10 years old. There is no any website, or like even Facebook also can't find that. Okay.
Well, that's not true. I'll tell you why.
Yeah, I
There
have
are
a solution. I have a solution. I'm telling
okay.
that, but I'm saying
Mm.
like throw any. There is no any options to exactly target with our ads. Okay,
Okay.
but I have
Okay.
option. I will tell you that later. And along
Okay.
with that is like for value also, there is no any website to like if a homeowner have a like home, and why he just want to value his home. There is no any website for like value a home. If he just wanted that, then he just have in mind that he want to sell that house or anything, so then only he will just go to the website and see what is the value of house. So I didn't find any website which is exactly telling the uh, you know value of house. So if I could have find that, then I would have used that for targeting on the Facebook or Google. But I have a solution for that. So how are we going to uh, you know tackle this situation, like to value and all? So we can qualify the persons, the leads, through our ads. Okay.
Okay.
So to qualify them with ads, we have ads number option one, like to make them qualified lead. We will run ads on the OCLU country.
Mm.
For example, like we will add either image or video, like want to solar at 50% off, or decrease your electricity bill by 50 to 80%. If you want, then simply fill out the form. So this is going to be a lead form.
Okay.
So this is the example. We can research more on it when we working on the same.
Mm.
And for the another example of that, like we will run a video ad explaining how they can decrease their electricity bill, and tell them to fill out the form to get a quote. Then in the form, we will qualify them by asking the following questions in the lead form. So like we can ask them these questions, like your house value, and how old your house is. So
Okay.
in this case, we are already qualifying them with our targeting options, buyer person
Okay.
options. So in the second option of ad, it is a basically of a lead magnet type. Like what is magnet type means? For example, we will run ads on the same location, telling them that good news to homeowners, and if your home is want to like 10 years old, here is a free
Hmm.
PDF on how you can reduce your electricity bill by 50 to 80%. So they will provide their email address, and they will obviously provide an email address, and we will send the PDF to them. Then through the email, we will either show them ad, or we will emailing them to uh, you know like get them a quote, or to uh, other details of the solar panel and all.
I get it. So at that point, you have an actual person with an interest. You've given either an email and phone number, or at least email, one of the two.
Yeah, we can
To which we can then call the
we can put the
person
both. We can put email and phone number too.
required. Right.
Yeah.
So then what happens is that they are forced to give those two pieces of information. Now, what
Yeah.
happens is people tend to put false email numbers and false phone numbers.
Yeah,
Will
like
the form ask them to put a verification code for any
yeah,
one of them?
yeah, we can add the verification to qualify them. And if they will put a wrong email, we will, if we are asking them to email, then we'll verify them with a like a code or something, or they will go to the email
Verification
and
code that you send to them, that they have to type it in, so that we
no,
know that
like
it's the real
like we will send them the email like PDF, and they have to
number.
like verification, like click on the verification button, then only they can see the PDF.
Okay, fantastic. All right.
Yeah.
Now, what can you
And
do with the phone number?
yeah, the phone number is, we just like it will work as a lead for us.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the PDF, like after this, in this PDF, we will just we'll mention that a link or like anything else to get a code. Just click on the link, and there will be a
Stop. Sorry.
Mhm.
See,
Yeah,
we
please.
don't go to a quote right away. What we do is, because ours is a little bit more customized,
Yeah,
we don't just give a quote. So
yeah,
only thing we want from this campaign are three things. One is, as you said, the email from the person saying, yes, I'm interested. And two, by seeing the PDF, they have given a confirmation on that email.
yeah,
And using that, we will call them and set up a appointment, a
yeah,
physical appointment.
yeah,
And once that is done, then the campaign is successful. If I
yeah.
don't get a response from them, then
Mm,
that campaign is unsuccessful.
not successful. We have other options.
Okay.
Yeah,
So now carry on. So the point I'm making is that we don't just send them a possibility. We actually go and take some time and do it, because we believe in the customer being satisfied
yeah,
rather than being given some big marketing spiel and then finding out that nothing is true. That's
yeah,
not us.
yeah. So, and the third option is qualifying them on the ads itself. Like, for example, we will run an ad. So we will, a video ad. It would be a video ad, and on the video ad, the video would be something like this. Yes, it's actually can reduce your electricity bill by 50 to 80%. This ad for those who like whose house value is more than 250K,
250.
and yeah, your house is less than
Less
10
than
years
10
old.
years old. All right.
Then we are happy to introduce that we Subi Empower offer you solar roof system that can reduce your electricity bill and water bill by 50 to 80%. Simply click on the button and fill up the form. I will immediately contact you.
Okay, fair enough. I
Yeah,
think I like your number 3 better, but go ahead, finish your thing, and then I'm writing some questions down. I'll ask you at the end.
yeah, sure. So these are the three options. I just put it on front of you, and this is the final. Yeah, and final, if you want like for in the house like 250K or value or more. So we don't have any like options on Facebook, but we have a option like we can target the income group, like top 20 to 50% people, top 10 to 25% people, top 10% people, top 5% people in this location.
Okay.
So we even can try this.
All right. That's a good idea. Okay. This is in Facebook.
Yeah, this is in Facebook.
Okay.
In Google also there is in Google also there are like options like this. We can target
Okay.
on basis of their household income.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Understood.
So this is the whole plan.
Hmm.
Now ask me.